What if the biggest reason she's not interested has nothing to do with your looks? Most guys think attraction starts with appearance, but female psychology works differently. A woman can find a man average at first and become deeply attracted to him later. And she can find a guy attractive at first, then completely lose interest after one conversation. So if there's a girl you like and she doesn't seem interested right now, don't make the mistake most men make. Don't chase harder, don't text more, and definitely don't try to convince her to like you. Instead, understand the psychology behind attraction. Because by the end of this video, you'll know the subtle behaviors that naturally increase attraction without playing games or pretending to be someone you're not. Let's get into it. 1. Stop seeking her approval. The fastest way to lower attraction is constantly trying to impress her. Many men change their personality around a woman they like. They agree with everything she says. They laugh at every joke. They try desperately to prove their value. But here's what happens psychologically. The more you seek validation from someone, the less valuable you appear.
Confident people don't need constant approval. When a woman senses that you're comfortable being yourself, even if she doesn't immediately like you, it creates curiosity. Attraction often begins with respect, and respect starts when you respect yourself. 2. Have a life she can't interrupt. One of the most attractive qualities in a person is purpose. Think about it. Why are people naturally drawn to ambitious individuals? Because purpose signals confidence, direction, and emotional stability. If your entire world revolves around one girl, she'll feel that pressure. But when you're focused on your goals, hobbies, fitness, career, or personal growth, something changes. You're no longer chasing attention. You're building a life that's worth paying attention to. Ironically, the less you make her the center of your world, the more likely she is to notice you.
3. Create positive emotional experiences. Most guys focus on information. Attractive people focus on emotions. Years from now, she won't remember every detail of your conversation. She'll remember how she felt around you. Did she laugh? Did she feel comfortable? Did she enjoy your energy? People become attached to emotions before they become attached to people. So stop trying to sound impressive. Focus on making interactions enjoyable. A good feeling is often more powerful than a perfect line. 4. Become less predictable. Humans are naturally curious. When someone becomes completely predictable, excitement disappears. This doesn't mean playing games. It means having your own schedule, interests, and priorities. Don't always be available every second. Don't instantly drop everything for attention. A man who has options, goals, and independence feels more interesting than someone whose life revolves around one person. Mystery isn't about hiding things. It's about having depth.
5. Improve the things you control. Many men obsess over things they can't change. Instead, focus on what you can improve. Your fitness, your style, your communication skills, your confidence, your mindset. The truth is simple. The better you become, the more attractive you naturally appear. Not because you're pretending, but because growth changes the way you carry yourself. People notice confidence long before they notice perfection. 6. Don't be afraid to walk away. This might be the most important point in the entire video. If someone clearly isn't interested, accept it. Confidence isn't convincing someone to choose you. Confidence is knowing you'll be okay if they don't. Nothing is more attractive than emotional strength, and nothing is more exhausting than desperation. Sometimes, the moment you stop chasing someone is the moment you regain your power. Remember, your value does not depend on one person's opinion. There are billions of people in the world. Never forget that.
Here's the truth most people never hear. You cannot force attraction. You cannot manipulate attraction. And you cannot make someone want you against their will. But you can become the kind of person people naturally want to be around. Focus on self-respect. Build a meaningful life.
develop confidence, create positive emotions, and stop seeking validation. Because the goal isn't to make one girl want you. The goal is to become a man who attracts opportunities, friendships, respect, and genuine relationships wherever he goes. And when that happens, you won't have to chase attention. You'll naturally earn it. If you enjoyed this video and want more psychology-based dating and self-improvement content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. And in the comments below, tell me, what's the biggest mistake you think most men make when trying to attract a woman? I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.